First, left-click on the Windows 11 Start menu. Like many people, you might try dragging one of the pinned apps directly to the desktop. But that doesn't work. Instead, click on All Apps. This shows a full list of every app installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to create a desktop shortcut for. For example, if I click on Calculator, it just opens the app. It doesn't create a shortcut. Even right-clicking doesn't give an option to create or send a shortcut to the desktop. You can pin apps to the taskbar, but if you do that for too many apps, your taskbar can quickly become cluttered. The easiest and best way to create a desktop shortcut is this. Left-click on the app, hold down the mouse button, then drag and drop it directly onto the desktop. Once you do that, Windows automatically creates a shortcut for you. You can repeat this with any app. For example, I'll go back to All Apps. Find Camera. Left-click, drag, and drop it onto the desktop. And now I have another shortcut. It really is that simple, although it's not very intuitive, since Windows doesn't provide any instructions or tips explaining how to do this. One more thing, you can also create desktop shortcuts from folders within the All Apps menu. For example, open Windows Tools. Then left-click and drag Control Panel to the desktop. This creates a shortcut as well. Control Panel is something I like having quick access to, so placing it on the desktop makes things much more convenient. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.